Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learn Funda. In the last class, as we learned delta and y conversions, in this class let's see some examples based on the delta and y conversions. And in this problem 1, here the delta network is given and we have to convert it to the equivalent y network. Okay, as they have mentioned all the resistances in the delta, now by using the formulas that we already have, that is, first of all, this assume that we have to convert it like this, right? To convert the delta network to the y network, for your convenience assume this like this. Then to find the resistance R1, the formula is, we already know that the product of two adjacent sides by the sum of all the resistances, right? In that case, considering the R1, as we need to find R1, the formula will be 5 into 15 by the sum of all resistance, 5 plus 15 plus 30, and the answer will be 75 by 50, 3 by 2, and the resistance R1 will be 1 by 1.5. And coming to the next resistance R2, and the formula for R2 will be, and this is the R2, and the adjacent two resistances are 5 into 30 by the sum of resistance 5 plus 15 plus 30, and then we get 150 by 50, and the answer will be 3. The resistance R2 is 3. And coming to the next resistance R3, the R3 resistance will be, as the R3 is here and the adjacent resistances are 15 into 30 by 5 plus 15 plus 30, and we get the answer 450 by 50, and the third resistance is 9, and the equivalent y network will be like this. Sorry, this is R1 and this is R2, that is 3 ohms, and this is R3 with 9 ohms. This is the equivalent y network for the given delta network. And this is the second example based on the delta and y conversions, and this question is appeared in the GATE 2016. And here the question is, in the given circuit, each resistor has a value equivalent to 1 ohms. Here they said that every resistor in the network is of 1 ohms. So let's consider all the resistance with 1 ohm. And for reducing, first of all, by reducing this network, let's consider this delta network. Convert this delta network to the y network. Then we will, as all the resistors present here are of 1 ohms, we will get the y network if R1 is equal to R2 equal to R3, since all the resistors here are equal. So by applying the formula to convert the delta to y, it will be like this. The answer is 1 by 3. So every resistor here is 1 by 3, and the remaining all the resistors are of 1 ohms only. And in the next step, as these two resistors are in series, we have to add those resistance. That means 1 plus 1 by 3 equal to 4 by 3. So the next network will be in the form of like this. Please ignore my networks. This network is reduced to like this after adding these resistances, as these two are in series. So the resistance will be 4 by 3, 4 by 3 and 4 by 3, and these are as usual 1. And later on the next network will be when we observe this network, this is in the Y network and this is in the delta network. So convert this Y network into delta network. In that case we can solve easily, as these two, as the resistance here and here, converted delta network will be in the parallel mode. So it will be easy for us to calculate the resistance. For that, converting this Y network into the delta network, we already know the formula for the Y network. If not, please watch my previous video. And here converting this delta network to the Y network by using the formula, we know the formula is as all the resistance will be equal, again because of the resistances are with the same values, so 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 here plus by 4 by 3. The answer by solving all this we will get 4, and this next network will be in the form of, will be like this. These values are 4, this is 1, this is A and this is B. And to find RAB, see here, as these actually this resistance and this resistance are parallel to each other. Then, and also when we observe in this whole delta network, two sides of the resistances are in series with each other while these are parallel to themselves, and other one side of the resistance will be in parallel to the remaining two resistance. Then we will get as here 1 is parallel to 4, we will write 1 parallel 4 plus again these two are in series, so 1 parallel 4, and these both are parallel to the another side, so again 1 parallel to 4. I think so you understood it. When we have solved this, actually solving the 1 parallel 4 will be 1 into 4 by 1 plus 4, we'll get 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5 parallel to 4 by 5. Here again 8 by 5 is parallel to 4 by 5. By solving this means 8 by 5 into 4 by 5 by 8 by 5 plus 4 by 5. We will get the answer 8 by 15. So there is the RAB is equal to 8 by 15 ohms. This is the answer. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.